Hello, scholars and families. In this video, I just want to go over our 5th through 7th grade math grading policy. If you were in my class last year during virtual learning, some of this is going to look sort of familiar to how you were graded on your Khan Academy assignments. And if not, this will be your foundation of how we will receive grades in 5th through 7th grade math. While we are learning virtually, we will be using Assistments, which is a new program that we'll be trying this year, in addition to Zern for 5th and now 6th graders, and IXL for 7th graders to complete our classwork. Below you are going to find our grading policy for assignments completed in Assistments. You are going to receive two kinds of assignments on a daily basis in Assistments. You are going to receive problem sets and you're going to receive exit tickets. These are graded in slightly different ways because we assign them for slightly different purposes. The grading inspiration for this was a scholar last year was describing grades to me as being about, quote unquote, trying hard and knowing stuff, which I thought was just an awesome way of describing grades. So think about your grades on problem sets as grades for trying hard and your grades on exit tickets as your grades on knowing stuff. Problem sets are about trying hard and getting your practice in, and for that reason, I don't expect everyone to get everything right on their first try. For this reason, you will earn full credit if you show that you are generally proficient in the day's lesson, and you'll get significant partial credit just for completing your work. Problem sets are all graded out of 10 points, and it's based on the percentage that you earn in assessments. So if you get 70% to 100%, you will get 10 out of 10 points. That means you can still miss a couple of problems and receive full credit for your problem set. If you get 50 to 69%, you are going to receive 7 out of 10 points. If you get 50 to 69%, that generally means that you still have a little bit more practice to do. If you get over 70% on your daily problem set, that means you're probably good to go and you know what you're doing. If you complete the whole problem set and you get 0 to 50%, you'll still get 5 out of 10 points because you still completed that daily work. And if you do not complete your daily work, you are going to get 0 points. Exit tickets, those are the little quizzes we take at the end of each class period, are about showing what you know. I look at your exit tickets to see whether you have mastered the concept that we learned that day. So they are also graded out of 10 points, but they will be your exact percentage divided by 10. That means we're just going to move that decimal point one place to the left. So for example, if you get 83% on an exit ticket, you will get 8.3 points out of 10. So like 8 3/10 of a point. If you get 99% on your exit ticket, your grade will be 9 9/10 of a point out of 10. If you get 3% on an exit ticket, you'll get 0.3 points or 3/10 of a point. It's just the way to think about it is just your percentage with a decimal point smacked between those two numbers. Finally, I want everyone to remember that in addition to completing our daily classwork in assessments, you are also required to complete 4 lessons per week in Zern if you are in 5th or 6th grade, or all of the content that we assign you on IXL for 7th graders. This work is called blended learning, so if you hear me talk about blended learning ever, know that that means Zern or IXL, or for ELA, it's going to be Lexia this year, which you will learn more about from your ELA teachers. Blended learning is a foundational part of your development as a mathematician and scholar in general. And once again, it is required, which is the opposite of optional. You got to do this stuff. So makes sense? Great. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm really excited to use this grading system. I hope that it will give you an opportunity to earn points both for effort and for work completion and for the mastery of the content. And I think that is it. Once again, let me know if you have any questions.